When you enjoy a familiar dish, from sweet desserts to simple, flavorful meals, have you ever wondered how it was made? Every food product has a long, creative, and intricate journey behind it. The smooth condensed milk, aromatic chocolate bars, rich brownies, or creamy mashed potatoes that we enjoy every day are not just simple foods. They are the result of a meticulous production process, starting from the farms and progressing through modern machinery and the dedicated work of employees who bring them into attractive packaging, ready for consumers. Behind every food product is a perfect blend of tradition and technology, between human effort and scientific advances, all to provide us with products that are not only delicious but also safe, nutritious, and convenient. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating journey and explore the steps behind the creation of the beloved foods we enjoy daily. It's a rich, vibrant, and dynamic story. When we think of condensed milk, we probably can't help but think of the sweet dishes it's used in, like desserts, coffee, or other sweet treats. But do you know the long, intricate journey that condensed milk, one of our favorite products, undergoes before it reaches us? It begins at the dairy farms. This journey can truly be considered a miracle of progress between human ingenuity and technology. In 1856, a man named Gale Borden invented a method that changed the entire food industry: how to preserve milk without refrigeration. Before his invention, preserving milk was extremely difficult because it spoiled quickly, often within hours. But with Borden's method, milk could be kept for up to a year, maintaining its quality. The invention of condensed milk, with its sweet, smooth consistency, became a product that we couldn't live without. And of course, today's condensed milk production has come a long way, from caring for cows to applying modern technologies in the production process. To create a delicious condensed milk product, we can't overlook the process of milk extraction, a crucial step in obtaining fresh, high-quality milk. Today, milking technology has made significant advancements, ensuring the extraction process is quick and efficient. With the invention of automatic milking machines, milking has become no longer a tiring, time-consuming job. These machines mimic the motions of human hands, extracting milk from cows accurately and gently. In just 1 hour, a machine can milk about 100 cows, which is more than 15 times faster than milking by hand. This saves considerable time and effort. Each cow is carefully cared for, with proper nutrition, ensuring that they produce the best quality milk. These machines help increase efficiency and enhance milk production, and the cows are provided a comfortable environment to keep them healthy. The combination of advanced technology and animal care allows for a smoother and more sustainable milk extraction process. Once the milk is extracted, there's no time to waste. Milk is a perishable product that needs to be stored and transported immediately. To get the milk to processing factories, large tanker trucks are used, carrying thousands of liters of fresh milk every day from farms to factories. But the journey of milk doesn't end there. Before the milk enters the processing stage, it undergoes a series of rigorous quality tests at specialized laboratories. Every sample of milk is tested thoroughly for fat content, salt, protein levels, and possible contaminants like antibiotics, which could be harmful to some people. Only after the milk passes these stringent tests is it approved for use in a factory. This process ensures that every batch of milk is safe for consumption and meets the high standards required for production. After the milk has passed the quality tests, the next step in the condensed milk production journey is the process of milk concentration. To make condensed milk, the milk needs to be evaporated to reduce its water content. Evaporators, which are large machines that use heat and pressure to remove water from milk, play a crucial role in this process. The evaporators operate by passing the milk through steel tubes surrounded by steam chambers that help to efficiently remove water while keeping the milk's quality intact. The evaporation process creates a thick, smooth consistency while maintaining the essential nutrients and flavors of the milk. The milk then becomes concentrated, with its proteins, sugars, and fats becoming more concentrated. This thickened milk is the base of the delicious condensed milk we know and love. Once the milk has been concentrated, it undergoes homogenization, a process that breaks down the fat particles into smaller, uniform pieces to improve the texture and stability of the milk. This step ensures that the final product has the smooth, creamy texture that makes condensed milk so delightful. After homogenization, the milk is ready for packaging. It's carefully poured into sterilized containers to prevent any contamination. These containers are then hermetically sealed, ensuring no bacteria or other harmful microorganisms can enter. Following this, the sealed containers undergo another round of sterilization in an autoclave, where they are subjected to high-pressure steam to eliminate any remaining microorganisms. This final step ensures that the condensed milk inside is completely safe for consumption and has a long shelf life. Once the condensed milk has gone through all these meticulous processes, it's now ready for consumers. The sealed, sterilized cans are carefully inspected, labeled, and packed into boxes for distribution. With the rigorous quality control checks and the careful attention to detail throughout every stage, the final product you see on the shelf is not just a can of milk. It's the result of a complex, well-coordinated production process that spans from farm to factory. And every time you enjoy a sweet treat made with condensed milk, you can appreciate the effort, the technology, and the expertise that go into bringing it to you. As we continue to seek convenient and delicious seafood options, canned shrimp has become a favorite choice for many. Advanced methods are used to ensure the shrimp stays fresh, safe, and full of flavor. First, fresh shrimp are carefully cleaned, peeled, and cooked. Thanks to modern technology, factories can produce thousands of cans of shrimp daily, making it easy for people to enjoy seafood anytime, anywhere. Machines sort the shrimp by size before they move to the canning stage. The shrimp are placed into cans, and a special liquid, such as brine or sauce, is added to keep them moist and tasty. Next, the cans are sealed tightly to prevent air from getting in. After cooling, each can is checked to ensure it meets quality and safety standards. Finally, the cans are labeled and packed into boxes for distribution. The base of every taco is the tortilla. The process of making it starts with simple ingredients: corn or wheat flour, water, and salt. These are mixed into dough, which is then kneaded until smooth. Machines roll the dough into thin sheets and cut them into perfect circles. Next, the tortillas are cooked on large, hot griddles that quickly bake them on both sides, giving them their soft texture and delicious taste. After cooking, they are cooled to prevent moisture buildup and keep them fresh. Once cooled, the tortillas are stacked, counted, and packaged by machines to ensure they stay clean and intact. Before leaving the factory, they go through quality checks to make sure they meet food safety standards. Finally, the packaged tortillas are shipped to stores and restaurants, ready to be enjoyed in tacos, burritos, and many other tasty dishes. Who can resist a delicious ice cream bar covered in chocolate? The process of making it begins with the ice cream base. High-quality ingredients like milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings are mixed together in large tanks. Once the base is ready, it's poured into specially shaped molds, usually in the form of bars. These molds then enter a blast freezer, where they're quickly frozen to a solid state. Rapid freezing is crucial to prevent ice crystals from forming, keeping the ice cream smooth and creamy. After the ice cream bars have reached a semi-solid state, sticks are inserted into each one. Robotic arms carefully place the sticks at just the right angle, so they're stable for dipping and handling. The bars are then fully frozen, making them ready for the next stage, the chocolate coating. Each ice cream bar is dipped into melted chocolate, which is kept at the perfect temperature to achieve a smooth coating. The chocolate quickly hardens as it hits the cold ice cream, creating a crisp shell that locks in the creamy center. Once coated, the bars move down a conveyor to the wrapping station, where each bar is individually wrapped in airtight packaging to keep it fresh. Finally, the bars go through a quality control check where Inspectors ensure each one is perfect in size, shape, and appearance. Only after passing this inspection are the bars packed into boxes for distribution. These machines cut the cheese into uniform slices, ensuring consistency in size and thickness. The slices are then arranged neatly onto conveyor belts and transferred to packaging units. Hygienic, airtight packaging is applied to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Some factories include additional steps like labeling or sealing the packs in bulk for shipping. This streamlined process ensures the cheese reaches consumers in perfect condition, ready for use. Donut production in factories is a streamlined process designed to produce large quantities efficiently while maintaining quality. The process begins with the preparation of the dough, which involves mixing precise quantities of flour, sugar, yeast, eggs, and other ingredients in industrial mixers. The dough is kneaded to achieve the desired elasticity and then left to rest and rise, allowing the yeast to activate. Once the dough is ready, it is transferred to a cutting machine, which shapes it into the classic donut rings or other desired forms, such as filled donuts. The shaped dough is placed on trays or conveyor belts and allowed to proof in a controlled environment where it rises further to achieve the light, airy texture characteristic of donuts. The proof donuts are then fried in large industrial fryers filled with oil, maintained at the perfect temperature. The donuts are cooked evenly on both sides, resulting in a golden brown exterior and soft interior. After frying, they are cooled and moved to the decoration stage. Depending on the type of donut, they may be coated with glazes, dipped in chocolate, dusted with powdered sugar, or filled with cream or jelly. Finally, the donuts are packaged for distribution, ready to delight customers. Ready meals are a marvel of modern food manufacturing, offering convenience without compromising on taste. The process begins with the careful selection of high-quality ingredients sourced from trusted suppliers to ensure freshness and safety. Ingredients are then prepped, cooked, and assembled in state-of-the-art kitchens, where precision and hygiene are paramount. Advanced machinery handles tasks such as chopping, mixing, and portioning, while trained workers oversee quality control at every stage. Meals are cooked using industrial ovens, steamers, or fryers to replicate home-style cooking. Once cooked, the meals are rapidly chilled or frozen to lock in flavor and nutrients. Packaging is another critical step, designed to preserve the food's quality and provide easy reheating options. As we continue, let's take a closer look at the process of making canned tuna. It begins with catching and unloading the tuna, often by large fishing vessels. The fish are quickly chilled or frozen to maintain freshness during transport to processing facilities. Once at the facility, the tuna is inspected for quality and cleaned. The fish are then pre-cooked by steaming or baking, which makes it easier to remove the skin, bones, and excess fat. After cooking, the tuna is cooled and cleaned further, with the meat being carefully separated into chunks or flakes, depending on the desired product type. The prepared tuna is packed into sterilized cans, often along with liquids such as water, oil, or brine. The cans are sealed tightly to prevent contamination. They then undergo a sterilization process using high-press heat treatment, which kills bacteria and ensures the tuna is shelf-stable for extended periods.